Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back again with another video, and this time we're gonna be talking about who is more likely to, or who is more whatever they want. Okay, so again, I have my siblings here. I have Mike and I have Ashika. Say hi. All right, so we're gonna just run through this video very fast. So I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be choosing 5 questions. So I will go first. So I found these questions online. So it says, so let's do the first one. So who is noisier? So who talks a lot?
You.
I'm not noisy. No, that's a lie. No, that's a lie.
You talk the most. Actually.
No, probably you.
No.
No, I'm not noisy.
Since
I like mommy there. Mommy gonna say you chat the most.
well, since you come back from Japan,
I'm noisy.
you're noisy and you talk more.
Jeez. All right, next. Who is lazier? Who's the laziest?
No, none of it really lazy.
But we
None
gotta
of
choose
us.
one.
Would I say you then? You wake up the late. She wake up the late.
Okay.
She wake up around 1 o'clock.
No, that's a lie. That's a lie. Okay, what time do I go to bed, Michael?
I don't know. I'm not keep checking.
Because every time he always goes to bed early, like probably 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, he's gone to bed. Then knock out.
But none of us don't really lazy.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, who is better at keeping a secret?
Me, I've kept so many secrets. Still I keep secrets
Okay, let's see.
to my grave.
I keep secrets too. I do.
Said what's the question?
Whatever.
Who's better at keeping secrets?
Anyways, who is more pessimistic?
But that's a me.
Yes. You
Michael.
always have negative things. I think, and I say.
You too.
No, that's a lie. Who is more optimistic? I am, because I'm always be like, yeah, this is gonna work out.
Okay.
That's what it's gonna be. Whatever. All right.
I'm realistic.
Okay, so pessimistic, optimistic, realistic. All right, let's see. Let me do one more. Who is more intelligent?
Me.
I am.
Me.
Obviously.
I
Nobody
am.
know me intelligent.
Aren't you? I am.
To each his own, but I know the oldest here.
That
Most
doesn't mean
intelligent here.
anything.
It means a lot. I set the trend.
All right.
College and everything.
Whatever. Okay, so you're gonna do your 5 now. So you can choose them here. Like who's most likely to?
Who is most likely to get recognized by the Guinness World Record?
Me.
Sachoney. She's
Yeah.
always doing stuff.
Okay.
Who's most likely to get away with murder?
Mike, no, Mike,
None
no,
of
Micah.
us.
Okay, alright, let's not.
Why you want to say
No, because I was
Michael?
saying Micah sneaking. So would I never know? Okay, would I keep it himself? Well, let's not go there yet.
Who is most likely to get upset for the most stupid reason?
Michael. In very short tempered. I'm very miserable.
Who is most likely to be late for her own wedding or his own wedding?
Sachoney. She
No.
always waste time. with me.
No.
She always late for sure.
You
She always,
too.
no, me.
But maybe yeah, that's true. I don't think I would be late though.
Okay, so who is most likely to have the most kids?
Me. Wait, what do you think? Right, of course.
Okay.
Why? What do you think it was gonna be?
You didn't start yet, so
Yeah, but also you're gonna say.
I start, so but my kid has started, so we don't
Well,
know.
we don't
No,
know
I'm
that. We don't know if
more
Michael
than- no, I'm more
starts.
than 2 kids.
I wanna have
I
4.
started my 5.
If you want to do more, you can do more because there are a lot of questions.
Who would most likely become a CEO at a company ranked amongst the top 100 largest in the world?
I would
Me?
say myself.
Myself.
All of us. Because
Okay,
all of us.
alright. Now we are all ambitious, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, one more.
This stupid. Who's most likely to jump off a moving train? I'm not asking that.
Okay.
Who is most likely to have the most body count? I'm not asking that. Okay. Who is most likely to have a reality show? Me.
Me, because I'm already doing YouTube.
I understand
Now,
that, but
anyone of
growing
the guys.
up, that was what I wanted to do. And I still can do it. I have time.
Okay, alright, Michael, your
And
turn.
social media is at our fingertips, so
Where will we start from?
Just scroll up and ask some questions.
Who is most likely to be an alcoholic?
Michael. My fault because I really
I
drink.
don't. I hardly drink.
This is not even deny it, you know.
I'm always driving, so I don't really drink a lot. So
Who is most likely to be a gambling addict?
Michael. You know buy lotto?
So why not put everything on?
I don't buy lotto. I don't gamble out. Well, actually, I play a lot. I play games,
by a lot.
but on my phone. But I try
Must
not.
win
To.
one day.
Okay, so who is most likely to get a heart attack from watching a horror movie?
Me.
Yes.
I don't like horror movies. I don't watch it either because I think it's being on.
No, I don't like horror movies either.
Okay, so who is most likely to be the richest?
Me,
You sure?
of course.
I am. I'm more like most
To each
likely.
his own.
Okay. Alright, well we'll see.
It doesn't matter.
We'll see.
But I feel that I have it in me to become the richest of the three.
And I know I'm gonna be the richest of the three. But okay.
We'll see.
Time will
YouTube will still be here, so we'll see.
tell. Okay.
Who is most likely to be a perfectionist? Probably one of that one.
I'm not a perfectionist. I just like
I like things to go in order. Like things to
Like
go
when
the
things is tidy. Right?
it depends on the situation for me. So maybe none of it. Okay.
I'm not a perfectionist, but what's the word?
But you like order.
I like things done in an orderly way.
Who is most likely to be a nerd?
None of us.
Yeah.
Me.
You want to be a nerd?
Well,
Well, nothing is wrong.
You have, yeah,
Nothing
you
is
know,
wrong with
you,
being a nerd.
you are knowledgeable on an area in an area. Not nerd mean. Alright, like the appearance. Nerdy.
I'm
glasses,
taking
and
from the
everything.
appearance perspective, but not necessarily the attitude wise.
Who is most likely to never get married?
Micah, the Jamaican man name, so them stay, them not get married. That's true.
To an effect, yes,
Some.
but Micah is going to get married.
Micah, do
'cause
you want to get married?
He grew up. We all grew up in a family structure, so and our parents are married, and has been together for a very, very long time. So,
Micah, do you want to get married?
do you want to get married, Micah?
See, no, answer the
And
question.
move on.
See, I told you, Jamaican man.
Yes, I'm not get my body not right now.
I hear you.
Obviously.
So if you find somebody right now,
The man probably too young to get married. You know what I'm saying?
Who is most likely to get in a fight?
me, because I have a very short temper sometimes,
Especially when she's
especially
driving. She want to curse people them out. Curse out bad word and whatever.
Jamaicans know when you're driving on the road, you have this road rage, and sometimes people just tick you off out of nowhere. People want bad driving, they want running off of the road, they want to call you all sorts of name, and you have to just sit down and take it. Not me.
Alright, 2 more Michael.
Yeah, this obvious. Who is most likely to have a part-time job?
Me. All of us.
All of us, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
And who is most likely to become a famous actor, actress? Anyone else?
Me.
We.
Well, not actress, but famous person. Maybe like a famous business person or something like that, but not actress. I wanted to be an actress when I was younger, but not anymore. Mikey got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes. So Mikey gotta go. Mikey's busy like that.
Who is most likely to get? Oh no, that's already. Who is most likely to do weird things in public? Sachoney.
No, actually, I'm very shy. What you mean?
Yeah, you.
No, I don't. No, I don't do weird shit in public. No, I don't do that. Maybe at home I'll do weird shit at home, but not in public. I'm very shy. I'm an introvert at home. I'm an introvert in general, but in public, hell no. Okay, one more.
One more. Who is most likely to go to a Justin Bieber's concert? Sachoney, because
No.
she does socialize and go.
No, I wouldn't. No, I don't like
Me not
concerts like that.
Yeah, me not fancy concerts like that.
Yeah.
Not me. Anyways, I think that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys. Well, this video was very short, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you
Probably can
enjoyed
put
the
the
video.
two of them in a one.
No, Michael, this is going to be different.
No, it
It's
must
two
not.
different,
I will be there.
2 different videos. But anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out my siblings on their social. Micah is at MJ.
Yeah,
Supreme
MJ_Supreme.
on Instagram, and
Ashika.Samir. Also my son's my business page. I keep on forgetting. Also my business page at Samir Closet on IG. Thank you.
Alright guys, talk to you next time. Bye.